Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, you will get the steps to connect Hatch Restore 3 to Wi-Fi network. Watch the complete video. Let's start. First of all, download and install the Hatch Sleep app on your mobile or tablet. You can download this app on App Store or Google Play. When you start the connection, then ensure your phone has Bluetooth enabled and is connected to a 2.4 GHz network. Restart your Hatch Restore 3 device. Then open the app and tap Completed Restart button. Now, make sure the Hatch Restore device is powered on and you have the password of your 2.4 GHz network. For the better connectivity, place the Hatch Restore device near to your router. After setup, you can change its placement. Then tap Next button. Make sure that the Bluetooth is on. Then hold and press the pairing button on your Hatch Restore device until the green light appears. Tap Next. Wait for a few seconds and then you will redirect it to the Wi-Fi networks option. Here, tap on the Wi-Fi network of your 2.4 GHz network. Then, type the Wi-Fi password. Tap All Set button. Now, it will take few minutes to complete the configuration. In this time it will update the settings. After this, you need to tap Done to finish the setup and connection process. If you are facing any trouble to set up your Hatch Restore 3 device or you need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.